Hey y'all, Kenta here. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize your long form live videos really quickly and very easily. So here's the scenario. You just finished a wonderful Zoom webinar or a customer interview or some sort of long form video interaction, and you want to be able to resize it for different applications and distribution channels. So couple different ways you can do this. Of course, you could go the traditional route, open up Adobe Premiere, and then crop it there, get it to how you like it, and put it out there. But I prefer a much faster way to do it, and this is a tool that I've been really enjoying lately because this is the case. I create these long-form video interviews, podcasts, things like this, and I want to be able to just shape and shift it and easily batch publish it. So I'm going to just walk you through a tool called milk.video. It looks like this. Let me get myself out of the way. And this is what they specifically work on, right? Basically helping you take your webinars, your education, long forms, and turn them into video highlights. So when you log in, and I have an account here, it takes you to this dashboard, and you just have to drop any file in here, any Zoom file. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see, I have lots of Zoom recordings here. Let's do this one. So you just wait and it will upload, and what it'll also do while it's uploading is it'll also start to transcribe your project, which is really awesome. This tool specifically helps you edit through your transcriptions, which makes it really easy so you don't have to sit there and listen to every little bit. And this is a really helpful way of editing if you're editing long form and if you need to batch things. This one, I think, oh yeah, this is a video of me. I was utilizing Zoom and connecting it with my Fuji X-T30. You can actually see the quality of the video here is way better, and that's because instead of a webcam or my built-in camera I'm using now, I used a mirrorless Fuji X-T30, which is a really wonderful camera. So let's say I want to take this and I want to basically make it shareable on YouTube or LinkedIn or your blog post, whatever it is. So I'm going to just highlight the parts that I want to turn into a video. So I'm going to actually highlight the entire video. It's pretty short. It's only 17 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and click C, or I could just hover in clip section here. And voila. So now it's created a clip, and I just have to go create this video. You can bypass this part. And I'm going to show you how to basically size it in different ways. So as you can see here, it's already been sized with this canvas around it for horizontal. If you want it to be square, all you have to do is go to brand and then just change the canvas size. So you can do square here, boom, and it's as easy as that. But what if you want to crop your video so it fits the entire thing? Again, really easy. I'll walk you through it. First of all, you're going to want to go to crop here, and then you'll want to click square. And then all you have to do is just start to fit your video in to the section here. So see, you're starting to already get it to fit. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it stretches out the entire thing, and then again crop it. Where are my edges here? Let's see. So let's see, I actually want it to be. You could actually also just go here to the right and say 500 by 500. Actually, that's the way I should have done it. And then just stretch it out. Okay, perfect. Now it's centered. I like that. I also like that it has like a little border around it. That's olive gray. It fits my t-shirt in here. Okay, so where did the caption go?
Okay.
The caption basically is still there. Let's see. I just have to... There we go. So what was happening was the layers. You see how the layers? I had to make sure the caption layer is on top. So that's it, actually. Now you have a resized video that is square.
Okay. what's up? This is a little bit of an experiment.
Perfect. Okay, so let me show you another way. So if that's all you wanted to see, that's how you do it with this tool. It's really fast. So again, instead of sizing it, next time you could just go 700 by 700 and that'll actually do that perfect square for you. But let's say you wanted to do landscape. What I would do is, I think for 1090 by 1080, I think is maybe that stops at 1080 by 9. Oh, you know what it is? It's 1920. There we go. But 1080. Okay. So this is like a typical, and then you can just go to fit here. You can go here and you can actually also make sure that resize that. Down, down. Okay. We're getting there, everybody. Okay, here we go. And let's change the height so it's a little bit more close to the crop. Aha, that was the problem. There you go. So you can just size it here just like how you want it, which is really nice. Okay, so let's say I like that. Now it's in the center. Maybe bring it down a little bit. I want my text to be in the center down here. Actually, you know what? And also let's make the color of the fill a little different. So I'm gonna make it pink, and then this is gonna be like, let's do it like that color, like a white. Okay, so now when I play it,
Okay, what's up? This is a little bit of an experiment for me.
it looks like that. Okay, cool. So that's how I would basically use this tool to crop it down, crop it into, again, just let's review here. You're gonna go over to brand, and then you have these two canvas options, either landscape at the typical 1200, 600, or the square, which is 700 by 700. And then if you want the actual video itself to fit into the thing, all you have to do is mimic it. So I think it was 1200 by 600. Yeah, something like that. So that's how to easily just edit it. And so there's a lot of custom controls here. So as soon as you get used to how everything works, this user flow is really fast. Okay, so once you have everything to your liking, you're just going to come over here, save and share. It's going to take about a minute to export, and they will email you when they are ready, so you don't have to sit around and wait. When they do finally have everything ready to download, you're going to come over to the download section here. There will be a link, and I'll shoot you straight to that video. And then you can see here all the other projects that I've created in the past. So I'll show you for an example, this video I had done right before this. And I can just go download and then double click save video as. And that's it. All right, so yeah, good luck and hope this is helpful. Cheers.